Our road tripping adventures celebrating the 100-year anniversary of the North Carolina State Park System continue this week as we find ourselves at Gorgeous State Park, which is located along the North Carolina-South Carolina border, about 45 minutes southwest of Asheville. And Park Superintendent Steve Pagano is with us as we celebrate the beauty of the great outdoors right behind us here with a fantastic waterfall here. And Transylvania County has so many waterfalls that people come from not just this area, but all over the country to see these. Tell us more.
Okay, Transylvania County is known as the land of waterfalls. We've got over 250 waterfalls, with 26 of those being here at Gorgeous State Park. We have Upper Bearwalla Falls here, which is a relatively easy hike to get to. Visitors can get here for a half mile off the parking lot. It's a 1 mile round trip, beautiful waterfall off an observation deck. Can also access the Rainbow Falls and Turtleback Falls, which are over on U.S. Forest Service property, but parking is provided here at Gorgeous State Park for those.
So you mentioned that more than a tenth of the waterfalls in Transylvania County are right here at the state park, and a couple of them are pretty easy accessible. How about the rest of them? Are they accessible? Can you view those?
They're on the interior of the park. We recommend people stay on marked trails, but we do have a lot of new trails opening, which are making access to those easier. And that's one of the things staff are working on now, is to get access to more of those waterfalls.
Well, we learned earlier this week that there are actually, when we were in the visitor center earlier this week, we learned that there are actually two different kinds of waterfalls. Tell us about those.
Okay, so there's two kinds of waterfalls. If the water leaves the rock surface and it has a free fall, that's a true waterfall. We have numerous of those in the park. The second kind is a cascade, where the water kind of follows the rock all the way to the bottom. We typically call both types a waterfall. But a true waterfall, the water actually leaves the surface of the rock.
Now, it's a great thing to look at, but a lot of people have that sort of view of when they see a waterfall, they want to jump in, they want to get in the water. Waterfall safety is a really big thing that a lot of people overlook. What are some of the safety tips that people should know when they're getting close or accessing waterfalls?
Okay. Well, the key thing is, and waterfall safety is paramount here. We want everybody to come and enjoy the park, but be safe at the same time. We want you to stay on marked trails, stay away from areas you're not supposed to be at. It's never safe to be at the top of a waterfall. The view is from the bottom or midway down off an observation deck like we have here. So you want to stay on marked trails. Don't swim at the bottom of a waterfall or at the top of a waterfall. Swimming is only permitted in certain areas. And at Gorgeous, we don't have any permitted swimming areas.
All right. Well, there you go. Great safety tips right there from Superintendent Pagano. And of course, learn about all of our adventures this week in the NC Park System online at the road tripping link under the community tab at WLOS.com. Enjoying the great outdoors this week and celebrating 100 years of North Carolina State Parks. I'm Mark Cady.